If she didn't have the saddle on, we would cinch prep her, but she does. So we're gonna flank her and see if she's a kicker or a biter. Now, before we put any pressure here, make sure that you have her head pointed your way so that she can't bring her butt your way. As long as her head's over here and you're standing in front of your stirrup, you can grab those flanks or grab her back legs without any fear of repercussion. Same thing goes on over here. Before I put any pressure on her flanks, I have her face pointed my way. She has no problem with that. The next thing we're gonna do is flag stick, lead rope in one hand, and this is gonna go right down the lead rope to her nose.